Crude oil WTI and natural gas both are trying to trade bullish, and this we had expected as I shared in my weekly analysis. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect a further rise in both, and can we buy, and if yes, at what levels, or we are going to sell again? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on US crude WTI will be released before the US gas session, so do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into crude oil, followed with natural gas. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels and trade as per the levels. Now, look at the hourly charts for gold. 75 certainly is a clear cut resistance here, and in fact, 75.2 levels. So, yes, you can buy at 75.2, expect 75.5 and 76 levels. Once it trades above 76, again 76.5 and 77, and then 78. Till 78, oil should not be termed as bullish, but there is a possibility for it to rise till there. One part to it. Second, you can clearly see oil is trading in this box, that is 73.4 to 75 for a while now. So let it break out beyond 75.2, but then still till 78 levels you should remain cautious and alert. Yes, first resistance at 75.5, then 76, then 76.5, then 77.2, and then 78. Once it breaks beyond 78, you can consider that there is going to be little more bullishness. However, on the downside below 73.4, you can expect it to crash again. Now see, on the hourly chart, 73.8 is a very good base. With that as base, it has seen a rise. I will wait for it to break out beyond this in order to trade little more bullish. On the hourly chart, it appears 74.4 levels also is a good level to go short, but remember 74, 73.8 is going to give it a maximum resistance. Directional movement crossing over for bullish move, stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over again for bullish move, divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards showing little strength. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, see with 73.4 as base, it is trying to retrace, however trading within this box. See, after this sharp drop, it is just trying to consolidate, and once it drops below 73.4, it will bring more bears, which will take it till towards $70 levels and below levels. So any point of time this week, if you see it trading below 73.4, you can stay short in crude oil WTI. This is one part. Directional movement crossing over for the bullish move, stochastic looking upwards here, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards. The RSI is also showing strength. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour chart, 73.8 the first support, then 73.4, then 73. So first thing is, yes, you can sell at 74.4, expect 74 and 73.8 as the next target, and below that 73.4 and below levels. So for the day, you can sell at 74.4, but you should be alert till 73.4 levels and 73 levels, below which only bearishness to be seen. This is very clear. Till the time it trades above 74.4, you can buy only at 75.2 levels. Beyond that, you can expect little more bullishness, taking it till towards 76.5, 77, or in fact 78 levels before looking forward to a drop. Directional movement trying to cross over for the bullish move. Stochastic rising upwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is looking upwards here, showing strength. And if you look at the 4-hour, similar observation is on the 4-hour chart. See, higher bases are getting created. It is looking upwards. Buy at 75.2, sell at 74.4. Till 73, you should be cautious. It can bounce back again. On the upside, till 78, you should be cautious. It can drop again. Directional movement crossing over for the bullish move, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is trading bullish. It is crossed over. It is trading with divergence. RSI is also showing strength here on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the daily charts. You see, on the daily charts, clearly 74, 73.8, with it is trying to create base as this. Higher highs means 76 is achievable, and possibly, in fact, even if it tries to retrace the next candle, it may try to attempt and achieve 78, which is definitely be a good resistance. So yes, it is still trying to trade in this bearish channel on the near term charts, and on the long term charts it is still trying to trade in this channel. The highs here at 84, 85, lows there at 70, and in fact it can drop further below 70. Directional movement bearish on the daily charts. Stochastic is oversold, and yes, that is why we are looking a little bullish move here. The MACD divergent and bearish, it is on the sell side. The RSI is looking upwards here. Considering this for the day, beyond 75.2, you can expect 75.5, 76, 76.5, 77.2, and 78 levels as the next targets. And these levels are achievable. You can stay long with the stop loss at 73.8 or 74.4. Now below 74.4 you can sell, expect 74, 73.8, and yes, if it drops below 73.8 this time, it is going to be a good sharp drop, taking it till towards 73.4, 73 levels first targets, and below that this time we are looking at 72 and 70 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch starting today. This is the 18th batch, and the next batch is only going to be in month of February. Be a part of today's batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, natural gas on the hourly chart. Now, NG on the hourly charts, 3.72 levels certainly be a good resistance. Once it trades above 3.72, you can expect that the next target is going to be here at 3. This is the pivot level also at 3.77 levels, and if it trades beyond, we can definitely expect 3.8, 3.88 levels. Beyond that, further bullishness can be expected. So see, this is just a retracement. If you are looking forward to, this is not a reversal, this is a retracement. So yes, you can buy at 3.72 and then expect good bullish move in net gas. On the downside, 3.6 levels is something I will look forward to only and only if it drops below 3.6. I will confirm this as a bullish reverse bearish breakout on the downside. Look at the direction movement. This is moderately bullish. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is also looking upwards, rather with trading with a very little positive slope. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, if you connect the dots from here, you can find out these levels at 3.9 are achievable, and these are going to be very good resistance. Then if it breaks beyond 4, you can confirm that it is trying to retrace back a bit, and then the target is going to be 4.4 and plus levels. Here also the same, sell buy at 3.72 levels, and yes, you can sell at 3.65 but 64, but expect 3.6 as the maximum support, and below that only you can expect the drop there. Directional movement bearish, stochastic near to overbought, MACD divergent and bullish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is also looking upwards. If you look at 3-hour charts, similar observation here on the 3-hour charts. This time just wait for the breakout here. Possibly we can expect a bullish breakout, taking it till towards 3.77, 3.8, and then 3.88, 3.9 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic has crossed over onto the overbought zone. The MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI trading flat near to the bottom. If you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. So far lower highs are seen, waiting for this to break out. Same levels. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, and this crossover is happening at a bottom here. See, it has been trading at bottom, now trying to look upwards. From here it can give you very good reversal on the upside. RSI was oversold, now trying to look upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, yes, it needs to break past this zone at 3.72, and then possibly from there you can expect the retracement, which might take it till towards 3.94 and then 4.1, 4.4 zone. Directional movement extremely divergent and bearish, it must converge a bit. Stochastic is extremely oversold, the MACD is extremely bearish, and it must try to rise a bit. The RSI is also oversold on the daily charts. So see, everywhere on the daily charts also it is seen the bottom possibility for it to converge and rise from here exists, and hence you can buy at 3.72 and expect it to rise. At the same time, 3.64 is the only sell levels below which you can expect the drop for 3.6, and below 3.6 further drop might take it till towards 3.55, 3.5, which is the maximum support. Below 3.5 you can consider that it is looking forward to a crash. However, I will be looking forward to a retracement. 3.94, 4.4 levels are achievable in this week. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. On the upside, keep booking profits. See, if you're buying at 3.7 to 3.77, 3.8 to 3.88, 3.9 is going to be the greater resistance, and then beyond that 3.954. And if it breaks past 4, I'll be looking forward to 4.1 to 4.4 levels. So take your trades accordingly, keep your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, join my mentorship batch, reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.